Are you tired of using generic platforms like Linktree for managing your link in bio? Well, I have something special for you. Welcome to my channel! I create Notion templates and also sharing tips and tricks about Notion and productivity. If you're passionate about getting the most out of Notion, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Today, I have something special for you. LinkMaster, the ultimate Notion template designed to revolutionize your link in bio experience. With LinkMaster, you can effortlessly manage and showcase your important links and resources in your bio. Customize your link in bio page to match your unique branding and style, making a lasting impression on your audience. Provide them with a seamless user experience that simplifies navigation and enhances engagement. With LinkMaster, you can streamline and organize all your important links in one central hub. Say goodbye to the limitations of other platforms and embrace the versatility and flexibility of LinkMaster. You can get the LinkMaster template from the link in the video description below. Start transforming your link in bio today and unlock the full potential of your online presence.